Welcome, Spencer.
Hola.
We're at the base of Mount Washington. It is, what time is it? 6:21 in the morning. We got up at 3, made the drive from Massachusetts, getting the wool socks on, getting our feet, I don't know if you can see this, but we're getting our feet in the boots, hand warmers in, the good stuff. The good stuff. So, Spencer's dad shot him a text saying that with wind chill.
He said I highly recommend this and I don't agree with it, and I don't care.
But he said with wind chill it's
Negative 38.
Negative?
I mean, but what the f does he know? What is he, a fucking, what is he, a biologist?
He's not a goddamn meteorologist. Got the crampons on, inner gloves, but to put the outer ones on, hand warmers, the whole 9 yards. Spencer's strapping on his. We got 4.1 miles to the summit, 4.1 miles back. We're going up and down actually the Lion's Head winter route, so should be good. It looks like a clear day. We could see up above the ravines a little bit of wind and snow moving around, but we have goggles to put on when the time comes. But
Good. I feel good.
the sun came out.
And you smiled at me.
There was a bunny. I don't know if I got it on camera, but I promised there was a bunny. We made it to the winter route, the Lion's Head. There's the avalanche shelter, I guess you could call it. I don't really know. We're getting beautiful views. Tired. There was a big hole. You can kind of see it right there, but not really. But there was a big hole, and you could see down. We're walking on like 3 feet of snow that just has like an ice cavern beneath it. It's pretty badass.
He's sick.
So. Getting our first views of the summit up there. We can see the structures starting. Luckily, I don't think this happens very often in the winter, but it's a beautiful, clear day. I really do feel like we're lucky to be up here. So. dark. It's the middle of the day. Down climbing. We're back. We're going back down the way we came up. We've gone pretty far. We tried to put a little hustle, prioritize, you know, getting down safely versus recording.
Why does it say San Jose? What is going on?
I don't know. Well, we're not going to San Jose, but we did complete the hike.
We did it.
Turned out great. We honestly just went to Delaney's hole in the wall and just waiting for him to call. So it's a good day, successful day. We learned a lot.
We did.
Worked hard. It's a good time.